Good morning, my little messes, and welcome back to my channel. Let me find the good lighting here. I think it's over here. Yeah, there we go. It is 8 in the morning on Monday the 30th of March. So March is finally almost over. What the F? And I finally get up and my beautiful girlfriend has made me a cup of coffee. So I'm going to drink some coffee, I'm going to have some water, I am going to take my supplements. So I mentioned yesterday, I think that I take a lot of supplements for my skin condition that like causes my body to form those abscesses that I get. So I am going to show you guys what I take. Alright, so I have a multivitamin and vitamin C that I take. And I have garlic capsules, I have echinacea, and I have ginger root that I take. And I also take spironolactone, which is prescribed. And I also just want to add a little disclaimer to that. So this is just what I take and what helps with my condition. I'm not a doctor, so what may work for you may be different. And I recommend if you have a similar issue where your body makes these like abscesses, that you consult your physician, because there's a lot of different things that work for different people. I really only have one trigger, which is if I eat too much sugar. There's other things, so like some people dairy triggers them, some people are triggered by yeast, some people are triggered by like nightshade vegetables. So like I said, I'm not a doctor, I can't tell you what to do with your body, I can't tell you what's going to work for you, I can't make recommendations. This is just what works for me. All right, so we're making some rye toast for breakfast, using a spiralizer for the first time to make thin little zucchini slices. Oh, I hate that part that's hanging out of it. It makes me mad. We have some zucchini sauteing in here with some chunks of coconut oil. What that is right there. We're scrambling some eggs up with some adobo, and that is gonna go in here. And then over here I have our plates of rye toast. This is mine because I like my butter on cold toast, which I know is really weird, but Mackenzie doesn't, so that is hers. Here is my finished product. I took a bite out of my toast already, sorry. I have 2 little turkey sausages. I have my eggs with zucchini, my water, my coffee, and yeah, can't wait to dig in. So handsome, so handsome. Oh my God, I love you. All right, so I'm gonna sit here next to Tom and I'm going to finish my book. We're having a very relaxing day today, huh, big boy? All right, guys, so now I've pulled out my real camera instead of my phone so I can take a better video, and I'm standing in my kitchen and I am going to make some stuffed cabbage soup. So I am going to prep all the ingredients. I'm going to get my pot and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so first things first, I have my big pot, but I have some water that I'm going to boil here. I'm going to make beef stock, or beef broth, which you need for this recipe. I'm also going to chop some veggies. So I'm not the best cook like Mackenzie is, so what I like to do when I'm making a recipe is I like to get all the stuff that like has to get chopped, prepped for me. So I chopped my onions, not very well, I'm not a good cutter. I shredded my carrot, chopped my cabbage, and then I have all my other ingredients out here. I'm going to link this recipe down below, so if you would like to make it, you can check it out. We are going to add the beef. Break this guy apart. And then this cooks for 8 minutes. Alright, so that is the soup finished. All of the ingredients are in. We're going to cook it for 25 minutes and then we are going to serve it up and it is going to be delicious. about to dig in with some soup, and then I have the last couple chunks of the homemade challah that I made last week maybe, and some water, and this is my lunch, and it looks freaking delicious. Just having a little sweet treat while Mackenzie's on the phone with her family, having some watermelon and some pineapple Greek yogurt. Alright guys, I'm just coming on now to end the vlog from last Monday. After this point, I get a lot worse at filming clips, so there'll be several days mushed together into my vlogs. But this is going to be going up now, and I am going to try to keep posting whenever I can, whenever I have stuff edited for you guys. Also keep an eye on my Instagram. I have it linked down below. I've been trying to post there regularly as well, and I actually just posted my first IGTV video over there today. So the Instagram is jessisahotmess, and make sure you follow me. I try to respond to all comments, so let me know what's going on, what you guys have been up to, what you guys have been cooking during this global pandemic we're in right now. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Bye.